Hey everyone, how's it going? I've been working on my website and I'm excited to announce I finally set up my e-store. So here is the homepage of my website, just a brief introduction about myself and the services I offer. So I have code downloads, offer consulting, and I'll have courses coming up soon. So to navigate my website, it's pretty simple. You have your cart, your checkout, and the shop. So shop is going to be the main thing that you want to look at. So if you want to look at my consulting offers that I have, go ahead and click on consulting. And again, I offer consulting in robotics controls, AI, and computer vision. But here you have the 1 hour and 30-minute option. So once you download that, add it to the cart, you're going to have a schedule part that you're going to go to for Google Meets. And you could have a virtual call with me. So just book a time that I have available. And then here we have the bundle package deals. And I have a 20% off code called Robot. I'll show you how to use it in a little bit. But here's my bundle package deal. So this will give you all the code documentation and relevant files for my playlist here. So we have the ROS2 and OpenCV. So you could download that just by purchasing it. And then here we have the OpenCV Python. So I only have the camera calibration up right now, but I'll be posting more along the way. And if you don't see the video that you want, just leave a comment in the video asking for the code, and I'll be sure to put it up in my shop. And then here's my ROS2 tutorial. So you can see I have a few more videos up here, some of them on my Gazebo tutorials, and some of my simulation using the wheeled robot, using my TeslaBot and Cybertruck. So go ahead and check those out. And then lastly, we have the computer vision using AI. So I have some custom data set for YOLO V9 and V8. So you can also take a look at that. And to use the coupon is pretty simple. So once you add something in your cart, like just click add to cart, you're gonna have an item here, and then you just go to checkout. And you could add your coupon here. It's gonna be called Robots. It's gonna be the coupon, the code to enter. And if you hit apply, you're gonna get 20% off. This is limited time only. It's gonna last only for 3 days. So you wanna use this code before it expires. Okay, so once you do that, you just enter some of your email address and billing information, and then you're good to go. Okay, so hopefully I will see you there, and I'll be posting more videos in the future. All right, see you next time.